In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a teamwork task. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into Teamwork, right? So I'm in Teamwork right now. Then you will need to go to the appropriate project in which that task is for, right? So in a lot of cases, you might be in an individual client's project. So to go to projects, you could go to this project tab, or you can use this folder up here. So for today, we're going to be doing a task for the 5-4 group, the Menlo Club. So once you find that project, the 5-4 group, you find the appropriate task list. In this case, the Menlo Club and New Republic are owned by the 5-4 group, so they have their own task list underneath one project. In many cases, most of our brands will just have one single project. But for like V-Shred and the Menlo Club, they have one project with a different task list for each brand. So what you have to do is you go to Add Task, and then you input the task that you're going to be working on. So in this case, we're going to be working on organic search reviews. So I'm just going to take what I already have, the Menlo Club Organic Search Review, and I'm going to change it to the keyword that we are going to be working on. So in this case, it'll be best men's casual clothing. So the person that's going to, then you assign the task. In this case, it'll be Allison working on the task. So I'm assigning Allison to work on the Menlo Club Organic Search Review for best men's casual clothing. I'm going to start this today. I don't necessarily have a due date. I'm going to put for Tuesday. I think she could have it done by then at the latest. Then in here, we're going to want to put the description of that task, so telling her kind of what she needs to do to complete this task. So I'm going to copy what I have for another task because I've already done this a few times, and you guys should be able to do the same thing. And just pull that in, give it a numbered list so you know where to start and where to end. In this case, you start the timer. You're going to go to the best men's casual clothing tab in the strategy sheet. Make sure you have the right strategy sheet. I'm already certain that I have this one. Review the top articles. Here's the training video. Filter out non-relevant articles. Input the outlet records for the relevant articles. Here's the training video for that. Update the outlet info, training video, and update teammates' contact record. So once that is done, I can save that, and the task is now complete. Now you can go in here and you can start logging your time on it by using this little clock right here. You can add a subtask if there's something else that needs to be done prior to this task being worked on. You can add a priority level. You can add progress in terms of how far along you've gotten. Reminders for yourself. You can add other people to follow along with the task. If you have a question about the task and you want to comment and bring someone in on it, you can do that. This is a very common thing we do. Say, hey, Joe, how do I do X, Y, or Z, whatever it might be. You can add all kinds of different info here, attach files. So there's a lot you can do with these tasks. It definitely helps keep things really organized. And hopefully this is helpful. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.